In 2014, the National Science and Technology Museum undertook a series of restoration and collection projects to preserve the woodblocks discovered in Dehua Hall. The process thereof was also fully documented by text and digital means. It added a new page to domestic woodblock printing history. The woodblocks of Dehua Hall were damaged by termites, which caused serious hollow and brittle crack issues. Therefore, the workers removed the dirt from the surface of the blocks and identified the area to be filled and reinforced before restoration. The day before printing, the rice paper needs to be sprayed wet for storage. The degree of wetness of the rice paper will affect the degree of ink absorption, which requires attention and precise control of the humidity. When printing, black ink should be applied onto the woodblock's raised patterns. After covering a paper on it, apply a light pressure on the back of the paper with a baren. And then remove the paper from the woodblock. Each woodblock was photographed and recorded on both sides, and the finished prints were then scanned and archived. Woodblocks packaged with acid-free paper were then placed in a collection box. It was made certain the woodblocks would not collide with each other. And lastly, cover the box with the top lid for the complete storage and protection of woodblocks. When sewing the woodblock prints together for a book, it is important to pay attention to the alignment of the pages, whether the eyelets or the paper cuts. To make a beautiful thread-bound book, the force of the stitching must be just right. The finished thread-bound books can be used for subsequent research and reading.